Greetings. How feel you? Do you know Xerxes? Are you gay? Yes? No? I didn't think so. Xerxes? Look at your man. Look back at yourself. Again, look at your man. Look back here. Is your man gay like Xerxes? Does your man look ugly like Xerxes? No? I didn't think so. Let's ask Xerxes some questions. So Xerxes, tell us, are you gay? Are you straight? Do you continue? Do you like cosmopolitan? Do you like a white Russian and vanilla? Do you like a black Russian? Do you like a virgin margarita? Are you a virgin? Have you slept with a man? So, if you want your man not to be like this man, use Old Spice.